we're unboxing the Apple Watch Series 5, which
40.
we got at
Best Buy.
Best Buy.
The 44 millimeter.
44 millimeter. We got it at for
$329.
$329.
Normally it's $429.
We got $100 off. That's a pretty awesome deal because it was Memorial Day, having a Memorial Day sale.
Oh, that's neat, this.
Yeah, look how cool that is.
I mean, I don't mind. What's this? What the heck is this? Some kind of I don't know, I guess a quick guide. I guess, yeah. Designed by Apple in California, which is kind of neat. Save this for later.
I like this elongated box. It's you know, got a dramatic effect for such a little watch.
I wonder if they do like spend a lot of money on
Packaging, right? Isn't Apple kind of like that?
I guess,
They're kind of extravagant in their packaging. It makes you feel special.
I don't know about that.
Here's the charger.
Oh, this is the watch. Huh. Kind of cool.
It's all black. It looks really cool.
And that's it. Really? It's heavy. Why? Nothing here. Ugh, I guess there's nothing here. Nope. Wow. They really spent a lot of money in packaging.
Yeah,
I wouldn't mind pay a little bit less with poor packaging. I guess. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, this is the band. It's just a regular band. Nothing fancy, special. Just a regular black.
basic, but not in a bad way. Basic in a good way. Basic black.
Silicone.
Yeah.
It's just
I like it. I like that you got the black watch with the black band. That's cool.
medium to small, and we'll see. So let's
Put the band on.
Let's choose this for a
So it won't start?
you want me to start it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do it. Hold on.
I didn't know if it had to be charged.
I don't know. We'll see.
Okay, it starts.
It takes forever, remember? It takes forever. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna use it for, I don't know, a week or so, and then just I don't know, like, give us a comment on that one after a week.
He got some, you got some for my Apple Watch. Where's my watch?
I don't know, I gave it to you. So this is gonna take a few.
Oh, it's right there. Hold on, hold it right there. Hold it right there for a minute. Here's my watch. And so we went to Micro Center
Yeah.
and got this cover for like $6, which is a protector. And also a screen protector underneath that,
Yeah,
which was difficult, right? It was kind of difficult because of the directions.
yeah, the screen protector directions are not that good, and I didn't like it. But whatever, it's just cheap. It's like five something, $6. So we'll see.
This is my Series 2?
Yes.
Series 2.
Yes. Oh well.
For that you just want a little protection for your watch at a cheap price, you can get that at Micro Center for like $6. And the screen protector had a couple little bubbles in it, but at least it's protected. See, you can see when it in the light. That's alright. It looks like pretty shiny stars. So it's starting up now, your phone, right? I love my new Apple Watch. I just got it, so I'm trying to get used to it. Here's this charging up.
It's not charging, it's sinking.
I mean, starting up. It's sync. Oh, you gotta wait for it to sync with your phone? Okay. Alright. So this was the unboxing of the Series 5. We're excited. I know there's a million unboxing videos out there, but this is ours. Have a great day. Bye.